guys, what is up? I'm back again with another video. So you guys already know what I'm going to be talking about by the title of this tutorial. And yes, I'm going to be doing, this is going to be my first soft spring look. Something a little different. I've never really done my eyeshadow like this, like eye shade, like, you know, and they both came out a little different or whatever, but we're not going to talk about that. So, I hope you guys like it. I think it came out super cute, from the lashes, the look, to the lip combo, to my face. I think it looks really nice. Super soft. So I almost gave up on this look because I just didn't like it. I didn't like the color. I was like, wait, this is too soft. It needs to be like darker, brighter. Like, you know, I'm so used to that. So, but I said, no, let's just keep going. And yeah, I ended up really, really loving this look. I think it looks so pretty. My eyes look, you know, nice. And yeah, so before you guys head into the tutorial, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell to get notified every time I post, and give me a like. So if you guys want to see how I got this soft spring look, then let's just keep on watching. Started doing my eyes without recording, so all I did was use the I think this is new, right? It's from Huda Beauty, so it's this one right here. This is what the palette looks like. Very cute. I'm obsessed. So I actually use this color. All right, guys, so now that I cut it, I'm going to use this is my eyebrow pencil, and this is the, which number is this? 7B from Anastasia. And I'm going to dip it in right here to create the little wing right here. So I'm going to take the Mama Mitchell Head in the Clouds palette, and the color I'm taking is called Dawn. And it's this shade right here somewhere. This one, right? Yeah. So I'm going to put a little bit of shimmer, and I'm going to take this color right here. Just like apply it in the ball center of the ball of the eye. Just a little bit, like not crazy. And yeah, girl. We had a barbecue yesterday, and it was so freaking fun. And the weather was very nice, like warm but breezy. Like spring is here, something light. That's why I wore like a little yellow shirt. I'm doing something like a little soft spring look, kind of, you know. So I'm gonna be taking my Beauty Creation lashes in Doubt It, and I am obsessed. First I was like, oh, they're too little, you know, but no, they brought the right amount of volume to my eyes. Like, so we're gonna do that. I'm a little hungover today, I'm not gonna lie. Today just a little tad bit. Yesterday got a little lit, too lit. I have like a tiny headache, and I wasn't gonna film because I was like, oh, I don't want to be like hungover or whatever. But then I just like took a shower, did my hair, like straightened it, and then I was like, let's do a look, because I felt like doing a look, you know. But right now I'm getting that little headache again. I'm like, if I sound kind of like off, that's because that's why. But we still gonna do this, like. So okay, so we're done with the eyes. Now we're gonna do face. I have some new stuff that I want to show you guys. So I got these cream blush lights from Mel, and I got 3 of them. I tried to do a review yesterday, so it's not like a first impression. So I got this. Huda Beauty sent over some new goodies. I did try this foundation, the new and improved, the new Fox Filter Luminous Matte Foundation. I already did a review on it, but I had the wrong shade. So I was looking at reviews, and I think I'm baklavage. Like, I think. She also sent over this Glow Coco Hydrating Mist, and I'm going to just drench my face in it right now. So, yeah, it's so cool. So, directions: hold the bottle, time to prime, spray on your face before doing your makeup to prep your skin, ready, set, go. This has 100 milliliters. So, okay. Okay, it actually smells good. I like the spray. So I've been using this Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream, and let me tell you, this shit's bomb. I have the green one, the water one, and that one's good too, but I use it more like in the nighttime. I've been using this one, and it is so good. I've heard a lot of good things about it. Like, I'm so late to this, but honestly, like, it was a little pricey, but it's worth it. I like skincare, so I'm not the best at skincare, so I know, like, people want to know my skincare stuff, and I don't really do much. I did buy her cleanser, so I've been using that for like a week, and I actually do like it, so maybe there'll be a new skincare. And I did buy this expensive eye cream. Girl, it's from Dior. This baby right here, but girl, let me just tell you, sheesh, so bomb. I've been such a big fan of under eye creams. I just kind of learned that eye creams are not for every day, you know, and I used to put that shit every day, all day, day and night. So look at, so my face feels a little sticky, you know. Okay, it looks dewy. You can see how my skin looks. So I'm gonna be using my Frankie Rose. It's the Huda Beauty, the Basic B, the Straight Edge Sponge Applicator, and I do like that that's straight. So we're just gonna apply that all over. You guys already know my routine, but yeah. Actually really good. I like sponges like this. It's really nice and squishy. I know you guys want to see like a brow routine too. I've been loving doing my eyebrows just like a feathered brows like this. I love that full effect that it gives because my eyebrows are just non-existing but they're growing. So I will do that for sure for you guys. It's really fast. Now that I do my eyebrows like this, like, oh my gosh, eyebrows are so fast for me now. It's crazy because before it used to take me like 30 minutes just do freaking my brows, and I'm just like, oh my god. I used to dread doing my brows. That was like the worst thing. But I knew I needed them because I didn't have brows. So yeah, but honestly, it is now one of my favorite things to do. I mean, it's crazy because like I said, it never was my favorite thing to do. We're gonna use the cream melts. Yesterday I used the Sandy Cheeks, but today I think I want to use Golden Hour. No, Cali. I think Cali. Yeah. Well, the packaging is very nice, you guys. I give it to Melt because they always have like the most cute, sleek palettes, and it just looks nice. Like I said, I swatched this one the other day, so this is what it looks like. And I'm just gonna put like, ooh, this looks crazy. I feel like this is not my shade. It's like a very pale peach. We're gonna use my beauty blender. Could you guys see it? It's supposed to give you like a sheen. I don't know if all of them do, but it looks nice. It looks really nice. Can you guys see it? It gives you like a little sheen or a blush light highlight on there, so that's cute. I'm gonna use Sandy Cheeks again too. I'm gonna mix that one. Hold on. I feel like they're not as pigmented as I wish they'd be, but they're very nice. They do blend out nice and easily, but they're just not as pigmented as I wish they were. Like the Milani one, like girl, you guys saw that one, right? My other video. It is so crazy how pigmented they are for a cream blush. So yeah, I just wish it was like more colors that were like gonna suit me better because I didn't like the other one. I just like the peachy stuff. So this one, Sandy Cheeks, I have to say like this was my favorite one out of all three of them that I got. So we're just gonna smoke out the lower wash line. Lower lash line. I can't even talk. Today is just not my day. And like I said, I wasn't gonna film, and I just did not feel this look. Like I was doing it, and you know me, I'm always the type of person that says, trust the process. Like, but I wasn't taking my own advice. I was like, okay, I wanted to just cry and wipe it off and just go to bed because I am tired. I just was like, okay, Gigi, you probably just need a nap. Yeah, because girl, nothing was coming out good. Like I was just like, okay, it's not cute. I don't like it. But yeah, I love it. I love it. I actually really love it. Like something soft, something simple and soft. They do look different. This one's like more sharp. This is more like swooped, and it's okay. It has a little bit of pink, not that much though. Now we're gonna use my new favorite mascara. Use that. I'm gonna use this other side, the volume side, because I always use the other one, the curl. I cannot do my makeup without doing my lower lash line or lower mascara. Like it just, I don't know, it just puts it all together. Once you put bottom lashes, bottom mascara, it's just a game changer. Like I don't know. What do you think? I think. Comment below if you guys like bottom mascara. Okay, taking my Anastasia blush and Peachy Love. Putting a lot, because a girl loves blush, so. I just feel like it just, I don't know, I overdo it. I do. I just love blush. To me, blush just makes your whole look together and it just looks so pretty. So for the last thing I'm going to take is my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. And you guys, I've been talking about this for a while now and you guys need this spray. It is so bomb. It's going to keep your makeup on all day. Like it's not going to budge and you can wear your mask. Your makeup's not going to come off, you know? So get it, girls. I drench it. Like I drench it. And I am gonna still spray my face with another thing. Even though like I like to be matte, I like to look dewy too, like luminous. You know, that's just to set my face and it's not gonna budge. I'm gonna use my Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Mist, and this stuff is amazing too. It just, I don't know, it's not gonna look oily. Your face is just gonna look bomb. And I only put it on the outer parts of my face, not in the middle. Another thing that I'm very proud of, we got placed on Laura Mercier's PR list. She sent over some goodies right here. Like I think this is like her travel, her essentials, her mini essentials, and it has a bunch of things, and I'm just so happy. And yeah, so I've tried the Laura Mercier powder before when I first started doing makeup, and I loved it, and I just stopped using it because you know you start noticing other brands and stuff. So they sent over their powder. So freaking cute. It's a mini one, and this is in honey, and yeah, so it's translucent honey, and I'm gonna use that one to cut my contour. Take some on the top. Okay, it looks like this. I feel like when you use a darker color, it just looks better. So it looks like a banana color, kind of, you know. Looks really pretty. We're just gonna wipe it off. Okay. I want to get the other one, like the translucent one. But you see how, girls, like, you guys see how it's better to use like a darker shade, like a banana color or like a honey, like this color, to cut the contour. It's just, it looks more natural. This is gonna be my first spring soft, like a warm spring vibe, you know. We're gonna get into like pastels, you know, eventually, but I wanted to start off slow because I'm just not ready for that yet. And I've been doing colorful looks and stuff, so I wanted to tone it down. Before you guys head out, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell to get notified every time I post, and give me a like. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you again in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.